Hello everyone, my name is Rhoda Herrera and today is our second day of gardening here at Southside Street Christian Fellowship Church. I want to show you everything that we have done until now. Our first meeting with the youth and the children here at church was amazing. We planted some seeds, we removed some weeds, and we did a lot of stuff. It was very fun for all of us. Today we are gonna harvest a few things that we planted in our last meeting. Come with me to see how beautiful our garden is today. Welcome to our community garden. Look at this, you guys. This is amazing. This is so gorgeous and beautiful. Look at this. We planted this in our last meeting, and look at this, how beautiful is our lettuce. Radish, look how beautiful is our radish. And look, our spinach is there. It's so gorgeous. We have so many healthy veggies over here.
Hello, I'm Pastor Cesar Herrera. I am here right now at the parking lot of the church, and we are about to go to the garden of the community, and that is right behind us. And the good thing about this project, we have been able to establish a deeper relationship with those that are attending already to the church and their family. So it is a really helpful tool that the gardening, not only to learn or to give a new knowledge for the little ones, that they can learn a new thing, a new skill of how to garden. That's a really good knowledge, but at the same time that we can use this activity as a tool to reach out for those that are around us. So as you can see in the images that we are sharing here, this is how it's been going so far through the last month. We've been doing some working in between lessons. Every lesson is being given every month. We set one Saturday at every month during the summer times, during planting and harvesting time. And at the same time, between those activities with the kids attending, then from one week to the other, we take care of the gardening. We pull out the bad weeds, we add water as needed, and in the same way, those things are really helpful because we can use those skills, that experience, to teach the kids how to grow in the spiritual life. As the scripture says that while you plant, you will reap. In the same way, we can use this experience to teach them that whatever we do in life, whatever we plant in the hearts of our lives, in the garden of our hearts, the soil that we take care, the seed that we put in it, that's what we're going to reap. So in the same way, we can use this experience as a whole thing, as the word shalom means wholeness. This is an activity that brings wholeness to the life of those who are participating in it. So thank you for your support. Thank you for reaching out to us. Thank you for helping us hand in hand to make this possible. God bless you. Tomorrow we'll continue.
Yes. Woo.